Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you my version of making my fried chicken. I make it quick and easy. I don't add unnecessary ingredients. I'm using basic ingredients. This is the marinated chicken. I have already listed for you the ingredients. You can go back, you can screenshot it, and that is what I've got in my little jar. I'm going to use this into the flour mixture, and I am going to use this flour mixture as well. So get out yourself 2 bowls and get your ingredients ready. So I'm using plain flour, and I'm using 4 spoons for this 5 pieces of drumsticks. And remember, this is my basic ingredients. You can add anything else or take away, but I will definitely suggest you use the onion powder and the garlic powder and the paprika and some pepper as the basic ingredients. Or you can buy a store-bought chicken spice. So this is my no egg version. I'm just adding a little bit of salt now and some water. Make the mixture a thin mixture, a thin flour mixture. When you buy the shop bought spice and you don't know how it's going to taste, how strong it is going to be, I normally taste it with my finger. Then I can see how strong it is. At this stage you need to get very organized. You're going to need a container, a pot or pan that you're going to use to put your oil in, because you're going to deep fry. People add more oil. I think this will be sufficient for me, but you can add more oil if you like. Very important. I normally tell everybody to turn the handle of the pot to the side for safety. Make sure you have something, a utensil that you're going to be using to turn the chicken around. And I've got this little, you can use a kebab stick, and whatever you have there, I'm going to poke the chicken and then I'm going to test if the chicken is cooked. But I basically use about 10 to 15 minutes for my chicken. So make sure you're organized, and when you take it out you will need to put it somewhere. I'm just going to put mine on here so that the oil can drain. You can use paper towels. I'm just going to use this. So let's follow along and be safe. When the bubbles are forming at the bottom, I normally know it's ready. Always have a nice wet cloth for your hands ready, and I'm just going to do my last one now with the flour. This is a skill that you need to learn, so it will take some time, and the more you do it, the better you will become. You can take a spoon at this time. I'm just doing it on camera, so it's a little bit harder for me, but you get the idea. Keep an eye on your oil. I would say ask somebody to help you in the beginning if you're doing it for the first time, because safety is very important. You can put this chicken in the fridge at this time, but I'm not going to do that. As soon as your oil is ready and you're ready to fry now, you can turn off the heat. Lower your heat a little bit. And always stand at your pan, don't go away. I'm going to cook them about 10 minutes, and then I will taste it. Depending on how thick your chicken pieces are, it might go quicker or slower. But after 10 minutes, I will check and say if the fluid is clear or so red. If it's going to be clear, then I know my chicken is ready, completely cooked. They have been cooking now for 5 minutes. 7 minutes, and I turn it around. I will let the oven still cook for another 3-4 minutes, and then I will turn it around as well. I already looked to see how the ovens look at the bottom. It should not be burnt at the bottom, but turn your heat down as you go. My chicken has been cooking for 15 minutes, and I'm going to be testing it. I will put this into the biggest part of the chicken, and I will see what color the juices are. As you can see, I'm giving it a press. It's running clear. I will do the other one right in the middle. It's running clear. And I will test all of them because all the pieces have different thickness. It's better to overcook than giving raw, uncooked meat for people. So I'm happy it's cooked. I will just let it cook for another 2 more minutes. I turn it again to the other side to make it crispier. I'm about to take them out.